Guys, we are finally out of lockdown. So it is an extremely beautiful day today. We managed to get out of Melbourne and we are now in Wangaratta. So we just took a drive off from Wangaratta and we are at the Pine Gully Nature Trail. So we're going to do this walk. It's about all around is about a 2-kilometer walk and it takes about an hour according to what the information we got from the information center in Wangaratta. So we're going to check this spot out, and apparently when we walk down there's a lookout point for us to where you'll actually be able to see the waterfalls. So we are looking forward to that. So the boys are all ready, Narveen is also ready, and we'll take you through the trail.
Stay tuned!
Nice view. We're actually going downhill at the moment and still quite slippery. It's about 5 o'clock at the moment, so still got about 2 hours of daylight before the sun starts to set. We figured that it will be the best time to actually do this trail.
So many ants. And so many bugs. Mom said that there might be kangaroos here, son.
Yeah, probably wallabies, I think. Aaron, watch out. Nice trail.
Oh.
Quite slippery.
Yep.
Okay, so I've just been told that there might actually not be any water at the waterfalls, so it will be interesting to find out what actually the case would be. So if you look up there, let's adjust this. So what this states here is if I go up that way, I will head through the lookout point where we are supposed, apparently we'll see the waterfalls.
There's some
And if you go
information.
down this way, it's a 1.1 kilometer loop, and that will sort of take us up the hill and bring us back here, and from here then we can go up to the lookout point. But what someone just told me, there was a local that just walked past me, and they said that this, what you see here and all of this is actually meant to be a river or a stream, and now that it's dry, that probably means that there's not going to be any water in the waterfall, which is quite weird because we have had quite a bit of rain lately. So it'll be quite interesting to see what the case actually is. Nevertheless, it is quite nice and lovely down here. So we'll do a walk around. I'm going to put my 360 cam on and go up the hill and give you a 360 view of the location. Mirwan and Marvin is ready. Mirwan and Narveen are ready up there. Give us a wave! Give us a wave!
Wait for me.
And Mahavir is with me. So Mahavir, how's it going?
It's going super good, but this is a mystery. I can be a detective, but
Alright,
I can't
let's go.
right now.
Let's go investigate whether there's any water in the waterfall.
This is a mystery. This is a
Alright,
mystery.
cheers. Let's go. Look at all the nice little spring flowers. Not sure what we call them, but definitely is quite beautiful. Blue, yellow, just wild. All natural flowers. I'm lucky I've got my Telfast on today because I get extremely allergic to this pollens and stuff. So here they are, Murray pine and white cypress pine. So these are the local plants here.
I'm still suspicious about the waterfall.
Yep, no worries, let's go figure it out. Continue walking. Yes, I am.
Maybe we could find that one.
Walking through. Mehran, how are you going?
Good.
You look tired already.
No.
No? The walk isn't all quite challenging. It's a bit of a uphill walk at the moment. I am panting a little bit. That's probably because I'm so unfit. Nevertheless, it's nice weather, so it doesn't make you feel all tired. Sorry?
I think I can walk another mile.
Yeah, sure. Go on. So these are the native plants. I think this was a cypress pine or something. And you can see some other native plants as well. Quite a nice view, really. Nice little walk. A lot of bees though, and wasps. You can hear them. Grass trees as old as Captain Cook. Here we go. That's what they are, grass trees. Those ones there, they're called grass trees. This tree fell in the way and someone sawed it up to clear the path. Pretty cool. And another one here. So now there's going to be a steep walk downhill and I can hear some water, so looks like there's definitely a bit of water flow happening. We're just not sure whether it's going to be a big waterfall or just a small tiny little dribble of water, so we'll find out. How's it been so far, Marvin? How's the walk been so far?
It's been so cool. I saw so many animals and I've definitely fallen 2 times.
When you say animals, did you mean animals or you saw insects?
Insects.
Insects, so there were no animals really, there were lots and lots of insects. So there's flies, there's bees, there's wasps, there's red ants, there's black ants, and so far that's all we have seen so far. But now the dreading part is walking downhill with our hiking capabilities, which is quite minimal. So we got down and
there's a waterfall.
Looks like there is a waterfall.
And there's
Although
a yucky snot frog stuff thing.
No, those are algae.
What's
So it's not as big as what we expected, and it's probably right. It is quite dry, as you can see. That was the path where we came from earlier, when I was at the cross junctions of either doing the loop or going up to the lookout. So that was the stream, and you can see it's dry, and we've only got water sort of starting from here, which tells me that there's not been much water at all. So there's still a slight flow happening, and that goes all the way down that way. It is quite a beautiful sight, so quite lovely actually. I'm glad we made it up here. Okay, so we're taking a short break here, just to enjoy the view and the weather. Overall, I think it would have taken us about 30 minutes. Yeah, about a 30 minutes walk. That was just really at a slow pace, relaxed walk. You know, we stopped and we looked at stuff and all that. So if you are a bit of a fast walker, I reckon you can do it in 15 minutes, 20 minutes tops. So it's quite an easy walk. You need good shoes.
Definitely.
And yeah, Mahavi says definitely.
Because I'm just saying.
Yeah, but otherwise, really enjoyable. So right, let's continue our journey and head to the lookout point. Thank you.
Adios.
Alright, so that's the lookout point there. We have reached our destination, the lookout point. You can see the sun glaring there. But look at this view here. Look at that. How beautiful is this? God's country. It's so good to get out of Melbourne. We've been stuck in lockdown for close to 3 months now. The family has not been able to go anywhere. So I'm glad we managed to secure an accommodation in Wangaratta and made the best out of it. Look at that. Look at that, guys. So the water just flows down there. Goes all the way down. Not as much water as I would expect, or not as much water as I expected, but nevertheless still a very good view. And you can see a stream going down that way. Look at that. So let's walk up to the lookout point.
Is it only 7?
How's the view, guys?
Awesome.
How's the view, Mahavir?
Awesome. It's awesome. Look at it. We can see the whole creek, which should be really big.
Yeah, well, we expected more water. We expected that it would be a huge waterfall, but there hasn't been much water flow, so I'm not sure why. We've actually had really good weather, a lot of rain, so it doesn't quite make sense. But anyway,
The mystery
it's still a mystery, and it's not resolved yet, has it?
Yeah, the mystery still goes on.
Maybe you should go home and ask Google about why is there no water in this waterfall.
We will promise to figure it out. Guys, I think I know right. Remember they told us that the water comes from the creek? That's the same creek.
No, the creek was up there.
No.
The creek was up there. That was where the creek came, and then the water goes down here.
But that's the place where we asked where we get the water.
It looks the same, but
It looks the same. The creek was up there. So we came from up there, remember? We ran a loop that way. So the water is meant to flow down here and go down that way. So there's a bit of water, but not much.
So all of this rocks is meant to be water.
Yeah.
So that's how big a waterfall is.
Okay, so looks like this is it, guys. Thank you very much for joining us on our short trip here, short adventure around this. What is the name of the place again?
Pine Gully.
Yeah, Pine Gully. So our short loop around Pine Gully, which is about 20 kilometers from Wangaratta. So it's a nice road uphill. For those of you on the motorbike, there was a good stretch of twisties, which will be quite interesting. Again, as I said, the walk isn't too long, so quite a nice, fun, relaxing walk. Now it has been a while since we have done one of these family outing / adventure videos, and the main reason behind that is because of the lockdown. We have been in lockdown for close to 3 to 4 months now, and it's been extremely difficult for a lot of people. So yesterday at 6 o'clock we attained our freedom once more. So now we are allowed to travel to any part of Victoria. So there's no mask required when you're outdoors. There's restrictions when you're indoors. You're required to wear a mask when you're indoors. It is now a vaccinated economy, so those of you who are vaccinated, you can go and dine indoors and so on. So things are slowly and gradually improving. It is really great to get out. I'm really glad we got the accommodation in Wangaratta, and it's been really nice. So tomorrow we will be off to Beechworth, and we plan to spend the rest of the day at Bright. So Bright is our happy place. We love it down there, down the stream. There's a nice big playground, heaps to do down there. So stay tuned with us, and there will be a video on our trip to Bright as well, and Beechworth. So once again, thank you for your support over the last few months, and if you have enjoyed this video, please give us a big thumbs up, and also please like, share and subscribe. Yes, that'll mean a lot for us as a family, and that will be of great help to the channel as well. So once more, stay safe and enjoy the freedom. See ya.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.